In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get free VC in 2K26. This is using a 2K26 VC glitch that's going to supply you with 450,000 VC. So this method is super simple using an NBA 2K26 locker code. And this is going to save you a bunch of money. As you can see, 450,000 VC costs around $100 US. I've managed to find a working 2K26 locker code that is sort of glitched, and it is going to surprise you guys how simple this is, and it's going to get you your free VC. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit that share link to share this video with your friends. So let's get into it and show you how to get your VC in 2K26. What you're going to want to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone. Now this is pretty easy to do on your mobile, and once you get your code, you can then go ahead and enter it in your platform or in your game. So what you're going to do is head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So you just type it like this, guys, into your mobile phone, Cold Coupons, and it's going to bring you to this codes website. Now I've used these for 2K24 and 2K25, and of course they now have 2K26 codes. So go to the search bar and just type NBA 2K26. This is the codes page here, guys. Now there's a few different locker codes on here, so go ahead and scroll down. You can see these are very highly rated as well. Once you scroll down, you can get all cap breakers, you can even get the game, but this is the VC code. This is a 450,000 VC locker code for 2K26, and this is a working VC glitch, guys. The reason I call this a glitch is because this code is not supposed to give you this much amount of VC, but it does. So this is the quickest and fastest method, guys. So if you want to get your code, what you're going to want to do is unlock it, because these are limited codes, guys. So this stops people from basically getting millions of VC. You can only do this once. So go ahead and click on get full code, and what this is going to bring up is the code unlocker, and it says here you need to complete 2 of the app/survey offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now simplifying that, guys, you need to complete 2 tasks you see on this screen. They're all completely free, and this will unlock your code. These basically sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how we can get these free codes. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you read the description and fully complete 2 tasks that you see on this screen. Once you do that, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your 2K26 locker code for your free VC will be fully revealed and unlocked. This will say successful, and you can enter it in game, and that is going to supply you with your free VC. That is the fastest method, guys, to get VC in 2K26. Head on over to Cold Coupons, go ahead and scroll down and find the free VC locker code and enjoy. Like and subscribe, and let me know which code you chose, or if you need any help getting your code. But yeah, let's do this.